Okay guys, welcome back to Monster Alert today. I went to Walmart again. I got the brand new sneakerhead, guys. This is the graffiti version. That's what I call it because it looks kind of graffiti. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks over 2026 sneakerhead. Here's the back. Name sneakerhead, truck type, city, strength, toe, tail, smash, crash attack, stepping up. All I need for this case is Hella Chopper and Mega Rex, and this case is complete already. On to the next one when I get those two. Here it is. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this. Okay, nice. Oops, I flipped it over. Ooh, okay, here it is, guys. It has a white metal flake, which is nice. The shoelaces are nice, and then sneakerhead and graffiti. Pink rims and roll cage, like a hot pink, and then teal roll cage. Pink rims and B-lock, sorry. Teal roll cage, yellow chassis. It has like slime in the front. There's a shoe. Sneakerhead on this side, and there's the inside of the shoe where the motor's at. Hot Wheels logo. Pretty cool. This one's really nice. And so yeah, the color scheme, I like how it looks graffiti style, which is cool. Reminds me of the Hot Wheels Firestorm. Just the graffiti. That's all guys I got today. Like, subscribe, comment, share, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.